Hello, today I'm going to show you how to install Zotero, the research assistant software, and Zotero Chrome extension. Okay, first you need to download Zotero from the zotero.org. I'll put the link down below in the description. Okay, I'm going to the Zotero website. There's a download button. Click on that. And you have choice between downloading Zotero for Windows and Macintosh. In this case, I'm going to click on Windows and wait for the file to be downloaded very fast. Right. Open it, and it asks me to install it on my computer. Okay. I did it already, so I'm going to close this. The second thing you need to install from Zotero is Chrome connector or Chrome extension. Click on that and then add to Chrome and extension, and in here you can see it here, but you need to pin it to your menu. Okay, you have to pin it in order to use it. Okay, I'm going to close this Windows, and okay, the second step is install Zotero plugin for Microsoft Word. Okay, you need to go to Program and then look for Zotero inside the program file folder, and then extension and so on. So let's open the C drive, open the program file, and go down all the way down and look for Zotero. Look for extension, click on that, open it, and then open the Zotero WinWord integration. Okay, and then click install, and then see that file, copy it because we're going to paste it somewhere a little bit later. Okay. Next step is you are going to open Microsoft Word in order to install the plugin. Okay, in Microsoft Word, I'm going to File, Open File, and More. Click on Options. In Option, I look for Advanced. Go down and look for General. Okay, here it is. And then you see File Locations. Click on that, and then select the last one, Startup, and click Modify. Now here you are going to paste the Zotero file you copy from the plugin, earlier. Replace file in the destination because I already have that file, so I'm going to click replace. Okay, and okay, close everything and go to Zotero and look for Zotero on the menu. Here it is. Okay, so in a Word document, you open one Word document and then starts typing something. Alright, before that, so I forgot to tell you something. Now, how can we, now that Zotero is installed in your computer, how can we use Zotero as a research assistant? Okay, I'm going to make a demo using Google Scholar. So go to Google Scholar and search for a topic. Okay, I'm going to go to Google Scholar. Okay, here I open Google Scholar. For example, here I search for baby food mother or mom purchasing behavior. Okay, and then Google Scholar give me return a couple of documents. I then look for the Zotero Chrome extension that I installed earlier. Click on that. Okay, got it. Second time. Okay. So as you can see, Zotero is serve us a list of document, and click the one that you interested in. Okay, or you can select all if you want. Okay, and then click OK. You see Zotero connection or connector. Start downloading all the document you selected to your Zotero folder. So I'm going back to Zotero, and then I open it, and I see it here. It's already here in my folder. Okay, and then you going back to the Word document and start typing a sentence. For example, this one, Word document. Okay, and then on the menu, click on Zotero and click on Add and Edit Citation. Click on it. You see a little menu here. Click on it, drop down menu, click on the classic view, and then select the paper you are citing. Okay, and Zotero will put the citation, in-text citation here. In case you need to have the bibliography or reference list, go down to the bottom of your document, click on Zotero again, and then click Add Edit Bibliography. Okay, here you go. Right. So I just shown you how to download and install Zotero, the research assistant, and then use this as a research assistant in Word document by providing the downloading using the Zotero connection or connector or extension in Chrome to download the research paper from Google Scholar or any other website, and then have Zotero as research assistant to automatically insert the citation in the format that you choose, and then reference list. Okay, so enjoy writing your research. Bye.